Everyone has the right to be heard. That is the main principle of IR, an independent Latvian weekly magazine. After establishing an online version of the magazine, we needed to reinforce our social media presence. So, we decided to correct one of the greatest internet injustices of all time and give Twitter back to the original Twitterers, the birds. We attached unsalted lard to each key of a cheap computer keyboard and gave it to the small titmice struggling to survive the harsh February weather. By pecking the lard, the birds wrote tweets for the Twitter account Ir Zīlīte, which means Ir Titmice in Latvian. On the IR webpage, everyone could watch the live video and read what the birds had on their mind. The tweeting birds were warmly welcomed by Latvian Twitter users. When we launched the English version, birdsontwitter.com, the world joined in with retweets, comments, and encouragement. Some people even made passwords out of the bird tweets. Our belief that everyone should have a chance to speak and be heard was strengthened when the international news agency Reuters and NBC's Today Show reported on the tweeting birds from Latvia. When spring came, the birds turned from lard to bugs. In 6 weeks, they had written over 2,500 tweets and had up to 10,000 unique visitors. Our web traffic grew by 25%, and the number of IR Twitter followers exceeded 1/3 of all Latvian Twitter users. IR was recognized as the most influential Latvian brand on Twitter. And most importantly, with only €150 invested, including €30 spent to feed the birds, we clearly demonstrated our stand on the principle everyone has the right to be heard.